Stab your mouth.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Lima, this is X-Ray, and this is all cute doggy, Schmitty, and welcome to Kaklaka.
Horse. Okay, so today we are making milk patties, which is traditional to South Africa. But we are going to make it very boozy. So we're starting off with a vanilla vodka. 2 can and a half of condensed milk. It is open, I did not eat it, we used it for potato salad. And then some plant-based cream and some milk. Okay, so normally we don't use cream and milk, we use a tin of evaporated milk. But this is South Africa and nothing's ever in store when you need it, so fuck it. Let's just do this. And then what you also need is cinnamon sticks. So I was a complete a-hole and I went ahead and prepared everything before the video. So this is, well, let's just move that away quickly so we can look at the final product. This is about 300 ml of vodka and cinnamon sticks. It's been sitting there for a week. So this is now nicely infused cinnamon and vanilla with the condensed milk and all that, which would give a custardy flavor. Okay. So what I'm going to start doing is we're going to strain this off, or just actually, yeah, let's strain it out. Got my grandma's little strainer. Chuck that out. Oh. Clean that out. Hopefully I didn't miss too much. The answer is going to kill them. There we go. So the most important part about working in the kitchen is keeping everything clean. Clean as a go. Okay, so let's start. See if I can get a nice pour. Just trust the process. So starting with our half a can of condensed milk. And it takes a while, but trust me. Oh, let's see if this goes as well as the first one. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, now we heat it with the cream. There we go. Yes. Okay. So now I'm just going to add some milk to that. I'm going to be smart about it. I'm going to add the milk in there into the tin of the condensed milk. Let's not keep ourselves silly. Okay, there we go. Okay, and after shaking this SOB for about 45 seconds, everything is nice and incorporated, and there you have one cinnamon vanilla milk pack. Now this is a retake, well obviously I fucked it up. So we're going to see if we can pour this time without messing. Nice and slow. Jesus fuck. Anyway, let's just fucking roll with it. This son of a bitch does not want to be poured without being messed. Let's just clean it up. Clean, clean, clean. There we go. You see, I never messed. I don't know what you guys talk about. So this is nice and creamy. Can you see? So to give you guys an idea, this is the consistency of it. So it's still very runny. And obviously, for a shot, it coats the tongue very nicely. Dis kaklekker.
So, today we are making, I don't even know, we're saying a Lima cocktail. So, what you need is a beautiful Malibu. We decided to take the pineapple one because we are throwing pineapple in our cocktail. And then a Russian bay vodka. We also took vanilla flavor. And then orange juice just to give a little bit of color. A little bit of lime to just, you know, even out the sweetness. And obviously your pineapples and your berries.
Guys, she's lying, it's lemon juice, not lime juice. I just gotta stay.
And obviously, just move my beautiful holder for my cocktail. Okay, so what we did is took a fork to poke holes so that the alcohol can just infuse a little bit in there. And then obviously diced our beautiful pineapple. Very nice. Obviously our beautiful thing. And then obviously we're gonna take a half shot of the lemon juice. So we're gonna first do the fruit. There we go. I don't know how much pineapple I'm gonna put in here, we're gonna see. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so now we're gonna add a half shot of lemon juice. Okay, so now we're gonna add our orange juice. We're gonna do about 3 of the full shots. Oh, that's a bit full. And I missed. Don't worry about that. For the beautiful vodka. We're just gonna go on feeling here. You can do it stronger, you can do it less, or depends on you. We want a little bit more. Okay, you think that's enough? Now for our beautiful Malibu. Okay. Does it not look pretty? It looks yummy. Okay. I would say it was kaklekker. Okay, so after you give it a little shake, you can see, oh, look how beautiful. So, we said it's a cocktail, but obviously you cannot drink this all by yourself. If you're strong enough, go for it. But we're gonna throw in a little bit in a glass and top it up with Sprite or lemonade or anything of your choice.
Okay guys, so we made 2 cocktails, which was the milk turkeys and then the Lima Mumbo Jumbo. I don't know what we called it.
Yeah, we don't know what we called it.
We'll put the recipes in and yeah, so obviously this is for New Year's Eve, so we are going to be boozed up. Most likely not going to remember my name tomorrow, but it's fine. Yeah, and then if you do like the content, there will be food next time. So just leave us a like and subscribe and follow. And then maybe just share it to your grandmother. I don't know.
Yeah. But have a kaklekker New Year. Yeah.
Ja, New Year's Eve. Kaklekker!
Ja. Bye.